Did I get one? Heck yeah, I did. Oh, hell yeah. Holy cow. That is my first crappie ever, guys. Look at that. It is not big at all, but it is my very first ever crappie, and I caught it on a mulehead jig. Oh man, look at that. 2026, the year of the crappie. We are in March, and it already has come to an end because I have just caught my very first crappie. Look at that. Wow. It is nothing to write home about. It is small as can be. I caught it out of this little creek, but it's my very first crappie ever. Wow. Look at that. Tiny little thing, but the first one I've ever caught. Awesome. I didn't even know that there was crappie in this creek. That's cool. First ever crappie. Using a mulehead jig or a mulehead. Um, what is it? It's a horsefly. Mulehead horsefly is what I was using. That's what I caught that on. Well, I want to do a catch and cook, but these are just too small, so I'm not going to keep this one. But that's awesome. First ever crappie. Cool. All right, let's throw you back. See, maybe there's some bigger ones out there.